about 7 o'clock in the morning, headed out to Horn Mountain Lookout Tower.
We had no idea what the mountain had in store for us that day. All we knew was we were going to hit the trails, catch some views, and we'd figure out the rest along the way.
I would say this is definitely an off-road mode section.
There is no feeling quite like the anticipation of heading up the mountain early in the morning to catch some spectacular views. The trail welcomed us with relatively easy obstacles and a chance to get our footing before it started throwing more difficult challenges at us later in the day.
She's official now. Let me see if I can do this, because if I'm riding by myself, I want to know what I've got.
This is where the trail gets much more difficult, and the balance between confidence and ability becomes abundantly clear. Earlier that day I said, a little blip of the throttle never hurts anything. A quote that would turn out to be inherently false.
Oh no! Oh, he's down! You hurt your foot?
When your gut says wait and find a cleaner line, listen to your gut.
Yep. Uh-oh. Well, It thinks my side stand is down. 1, 2, 3.
I had never heard of a side stand bypass dongle, and I wasn't sure if the bike was going to start. So there I was, laying in the dirt trying to figure out how to get this bike back on the trail, and wondering if I was going to have to call a tow truck to bring me out. After a lot of trial and error, luckily, I was able to electrical tape the sensor together and get the bike back on the road. But the idea of that broken bike really got in my head. Just when we got our confidence back, Chris decided to play chicken with a tree. Something about a praying mantis attack.
The lower handle.
He was a little shaken, but he and the bike were okay to ride. But that call over the radio, "I'm down," stuck in my head. If you're anywhere near central Alabama, the Skyway 600 is a good but tough trail. The views are spectacular, the roads are good enough to ride a big ADV on, although it is probably easier on a lighter dual sport. We were able to make it home thanks to a beefed up toolkit and a little bit of electrical tape. I've put the GPX file in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll answer them as best I can. Until next time, have fun and ride safe.